Data analytics is changing fast. In this video, I'll walk you through the AI tools every data analyst should know in 2026 and how to use them without losing your edge. Stick around, there are a few questions to test yourself. Here's the plan. We'll cover AI inside spreadsheets, natural language SQL, copilots built into your BI tools, using ChatGPT for genuine analysis, and AI coding and automated exploration tools. Then how to actually start. Let's be clear up front. AI is not replacing data analysts. But analysts who use AI well will outpace those who don't. These tools strip away the boring work so you can focus on insight, the part that actually pays. First, spreadsheets, where most analysts still live. Excel's Copilot and Google Sheets Gemini let you describe what you want in plain English and get the formula back, or ask them to explain and summarize a messy sheet. A daily time saver. Second, text-to-SQL. You type a plain English question, like top 10 customers by revenue last quarter, and the tool writes the SQL for you. It's showing up in more database and BI tools every single month. Quick check. What does text-to-SQL actually do? A. Design a database. B. Turn plain English into a query. Or C. Clean a spreadsheet? Pause the video and pick one. The answer is B. Text-to-SQL turns plain English into a ready-to-run query. But always read that query before you run it, especially against production data. The AI does not know what it might break. Third, copilots built into BI tools. Power BI Copilot and Tableau Pulse let you build charts just by asking, automatically surface insights, and explain why a metric spiked or dipped, in language your stakeholders actually understand. Fourth, ChatGPT and other large language models. Give them data and they can clean and reshape it by writing the code, explain what the numbers mean, and help you turn a dry result into a clear story your boss will remember. Fifth, code assistants like GitHub Copilot and the AI now baked into notebooks. They auto-complete your pandas in SQL, fix errors in seconds, and clean up messy code, so you spend less time debugging and more time analyzing. Sixth, automated exploratory data analysis. Point these tools at a fresh dataset and you instantly get summary statistics, distributions, correlations, a missing values report, and first draft charts. It's a brilliant head start on any new data. Another quick one. Which of these explains a dashboard spike in plain English? A. A pivot table. B. Power BI Copilot or Tableau Pulse. Or C. A for loop? Have a think. The answer is B. The BI Copilots, Power BI Copilot and Tableau Pulse, can narrate the why behind a chart, turning a spike into a sentence anyone can act on. Now a technical one for you. You're handed a messy 100,000-row CSV. Which AI tools, and in what order, would you use to clean it, explore it, and summarize it? There's no single right answer, so comment your workflow below. I read them. Now the catch, and it's important. AI can be confidently wrong. It invents numbers and buggy queries. So verify everything, never paste confidential data into public tools, and remember, you own the final analysis, not the model. So how do you start without getting overwhelmed? Don't try everything at once. Pick one tool this week, use it on a real task you already do, and always check the output. Build the habit, then add the next tool. One bonus worth its own mention, AI storytelling. Once your analysis is done, ask an AI to draft the narrative, summarize a dashboard for executives, or pull the 3 insights that matter most. You edit, it drafts. That's the fastest way to turn numbers into a message people remember. Quick recap. AI now lives in your spreadsheets, your SQL, your BI tools, ChatGPT, your code editor, and automated exploration. The winning move is to combine all of it with your own judgment. If this helped, subscribe. Coming up next in this series, SQL for data analytics, Power BI versus Tableau, and the full 2026 Data Analyst roadmap. And don't forget to comment your messy CSV workflow. See you in the next one.